Hey guys, it's been an incredible week. Governor Abbott went on live this week to outline his plan for getting everything started in the direction of reopening and getting on with a little bit of some kind of normalcy for our lives. But other than that, we have been walking and exercising and walking and exercising and walking and exercising.
Hey everybody, as you know, we like flatbread pizzas, and we'll link the video that shows you how we make these below so you can look at that. But what we're doing today is we got a new grill here. It's a Smoke Hollow, bought it at Lowe's. Our other one was kind of starting to wear out, and we wanted something a little bigger, and luckily this one will let our pizza stone from the oven fit in there. So we're going to give it a try outside, because you know, when it gets summertime, there's nothing worse than firing up the oven in your camper when it's already 80. So here in a few minutes, I've turned it on. I'm going to let it sit about 10 to 15 minutes and warm that stone up, and then we'll put these in here and see how long it takes, and we'll know together whether it works out. Okay, we've let the grill go. I had it on medium. Probably going to next time put it on high. I've just turned it to high. Took it about 10-15 minutes. It's over 400 now, and I think I would like to be a little hotter, but we're going to give this a try and see what happens. We're probably going to try cooking it for about 10 minutes. Sounds like the pizza stone's warm. So we've let it go almost 10 minutes now. It was running right around almost 450. So I think we're there. The cheese is melted nice. You can see stuff, and it doesn't seem to be just the right crispness on the bottom, I think. So with this Smoke Hollow grill with a pizza stone, I would put it on close to between medium and high. Run it about 10-15 minutes. Put your pizzas on. Let them go about 10. Check them at about 7 probably. But there we go. We can now make pizza outside and don't have to fire up the oven.
That's on the larger size of the hail that's coming down, so I think we're going to be okay. It seems to be passing.
There you go. That's a good boy. That's a perfect way to sit. You can look at Mama. Comfy. Oh, it is windy around this side, isn't it? what do you think? We're down here on a little trail we like to get on.
And it is a beautiful day.
Yep. One thing we've lucked out on is we've had some fairly nice days while we've been sheltered in place. So.
They've been pretty windy, but we've had some nice days.
Yeah.
So the only thing that would make them a little bit better is less wind, so we could have gotten out on the lake a little bit more in our kayaks.
Yeah.
But otherwise,
we're still
we
going to
cannot
try.
complain.
No.
Oh, look, there's some Indian paintbrushes. You hit them from over there?
Oh yeah. Oh, they're really pretty. I'm surprised there weren't any blue bonnets in here. Here goes Scout. He's headed out. He says, I'm tired of waiting for y'all. We found a little trail, maybe a quarter of a mile long at the most. And but it kind of gets you away from the campers and makes you feel like you're kind of in the woods. So really missing being out in some nature and kind of out in the mountains. So hopefully this will start easing up and we can all get out and take a big breath. This is why we don't hike fast hikes with Scout.
That's why we have to walk separately.
Yeah.
Because this is what he does.
But this is all about him when we hike with him. So we
Yes.
just let him do what he wants, and that way he gets the smell and go slow. But he's still doing pretty good. We can get a half a mile or more out of him. We've noticed in his age he starts panting earlier when it's a little warm.
You coming, bud? Watch the glass. Stay to the side. Good job.
So we're coming down on this little cove off the lake.
The other day when it looked like it was about to rain, I came down here and there was all kinds of those white, I would call them seagulls, but I can't remember what they were called. The ones with the black tips that we...
Yeah, I think they were ring-beaked,
there was a whole bunch of the trees
ring-billed
up there.
gulls.
There was a whole bunch in the trees up there, and then they would just take off, and then they'd come back and land, and take off, and come back and land. And for today, just know that probably by the time you have seen this on Friday, we will have left to go back to Whitney. We're going to be there for about a week. We've got some things we need to wrap up. I've got a follow-up checkup for my melanoma. Bill needs to get his glasses fitted. We need to see some family and friends before we hit the road because we probably won't be back until November. So then we're going to hit the road. So about what it's going to look like for the next couple of weeks. So enjoy, get up and get out, but still you can get out a little bit now, I guess, and go see family and friends, but keep social distancing, all that good stuff. All right, love ya, bye.